Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment information is required. You need a payment method to access this functionality. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you want to use any function or any feature and you might see this type of error again and again. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So now to fix this, you just need to add your payment method or your credit or debit card to your Apple ID. So let's see how can you fix that. You just have to simply go back, and the very first thing that you're going to have to try to connect with the different stable and strongest network connection. Then try to disconnect with the VPN if you're connected. After that, just simply open your App Store, and here just tap on the profile option at the top right. Tap on your Apple ID, and you just have to try to enter your Apple ID password here. So just enter your Apple ID password if it's recommended. So you just have to try to enter and tap on the sign in option. So once you have signed in, just tap on this country or region option. You can directly add your payment method by using this manage payments option. But I recommend you have to use this function, this option to prevent any kind of issues. So just tap on the country or region here and just select your own country or region in which you are living. So for example, I'm going to select this one from here. After selecting your country or region, just tap on this continue option, then tap on agree at the top right. And now on this screen, you have to add your payment method. Just add your payment method, then your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all, just have on the option at the top right, and your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID. So once you have added your payment method, you might be able to use any feature or any function which you want to without any error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.